Good day, everyone. My name is Chloe Tan, and I'm the website content writer at Healy Consultants based in Singapore. Today, I have with me my colleague Gideon Maramba, and he's our accounting and tax officer in our South Africa office. Hi, Gideon. How are you today?
Good, Chloe, yourself, how are you?
Good. Thank you. So today we're here to talk about a Japan engagement. Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Cool. Could you just tell me a little bit about it, like where the client was based in, what their business activity was, and what business services did we provide them?
Okay, so our client was incorporated in Japan in August of 2020 with directors all based in Britain. Our client business is providing information and data related to global financial market via online platforms. This includes global financial market data like forex exchange price quotes and the market news streaming. Our client is also involved in providing after-sale customer service and support. So in September 2021, our client requested assistance to complete their annual financial statements, their annual withholding tax report, their depreciable assets return, consumption tax filing, the annual statutory license, and all of their accounting and tax and legal corporate obligations with the Japanese National Tax Agency for the year ended 2021. So we begin by requesting information from the client as usual, and after we got all the information, we did send an email which was detailed with the engagement proposal and also the informal the form of invoice for the agreed services. Thereafter, we prepared a detailed engagement summary and also a detailed project plan. So in terms of the annual statutory license and the tax obligations in Japan, the National Tax Agency is responsible for overseeing all the tax matters for all the companies. Yes, yeah. So the filing normally deadline is in end of September and also end of January.
Okay, cool. Were there like any challenges or?
Yes, because most of the reports were in Japanese, we had to ask our counterpart in Japan to convert them to English so that we can also read and understand them.
Okay, yeah. Definitely, that makes sense. Well, finally, Gideon, like, were there any highlights and key takeaways from this engagement? We did talk about it a little before, saying that you took this engagement like halfway, right? Like over from one of our colleagues.
Yes, yeah. It was not very difficult to take up the engagement halfway through because of my prior knowledge and my prior experience. I was able to dive in and manage this project to completion. I should be proud to say there were not many obstacles. We're the good counterpart in Japan who was a joy to work with. Yeah, so also what helped was planning way ahead of deadlines. Japan is so strict. Yes, yeah, Japan is a very strict jurisdiction with so many compliance like requirements. So we just had to be on top of our ball and we managed to complete the engagement without incurring any penalties or any delays for our clients.
Yeah, that's good to know. Thank you. Well, Gideon, thank you so much for this short and sweet overview of your Japan engagement, and thank you for your time today. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Chloe.
Thank you. Bye.